Hello, I'm Michael Isa, Senior Director of Product Management for Huawei Storage product line. I'm excited to share with you a new product launch from Huawei. Take all the goodness that comes with OceanStor Dorado V3, but only designed exclusively for NVMe storage, and you get the Dorado 5000 V3. Why do you need NVMe-based Dorado V3 anyway? Well, higher performance, of course, to satisfy the most demanding workloads. NVMe, when compared with conventional SAS SSDs, provide 4 times improved IOPS and 4 times lower latencies. From a design perspective, it's not as simple as taking OceanStor Dorado V3 with HSSDs, removing them, and inserting NVMe instead. It requires a more thoughtful architecture. And of course, as usual, it is packed with Huawei's proprietary NVMe technology. Let's take a look at some of these technologies. Huawei's strategy for mission-critical workload is simple. We want to cover the entire workload spectrum regardless of the need of that application. With Dorado V3 Huawei SSDs, we're able to support half a millisecond latency at 200K IOPS per system. In order to cover the upper end of that workload spectrum, we're introducing NVMe-based Dorado V3 that supports roughly 4 times the performance of that of the SSD version. That ought to cover the entire spectrum. However, in order to make both products serviceable, the NVMe portion of it was re-architected and redesigned to make NVMe more serviceable. That means you can hot swap an NVMe module upon failure without any disruption. It provides high serviceability across both products and the entire portfolio. It also does provide you with 6 nines worth of high availability when you turn on Hypermetro within OceanStor. This gives you active deployments across 2 storage arrays with Dorado V3 and can give you the SLA needed to support any mission-critical SLA required. A traditional NVMe can directly connect to a PCI interface and by default can obtain better bandwidth than a SAS interface. However, it does not support hot swappable NVMe's. OceanStor Dorado 5000 V3 was able to overcome this problem, and you can hot swap any NVMe module at any time, making serviceability of the storage system much easier without introducing any interruption or downtime. This is possible due to Huawei's proprietary NVMe technology, which includes real-time fault monitoring, recovery, and isolation. The serviceability of the system is further enhanced using NVMe health monitoring and service life estimation. In order to provide system-level reliability, a traditional NVMe storage may rely on an internal PCI switch to connect dual controllers for high availability. Dorado 5000 V3 took a different approach. It relies on Huawei's proprietary NVMe active-active dual ports to implement dual controller redundancy for high availability. Huawei has also designed a unique I/O scheduling mechanism exclusively for NVMe SSDs that prevents any lock conflict during I/O delivery. Why is this important? Well, this will allow lock-free concurrent access to the NVMe SSDs, which significantly improves the overall processing capabilities of the storage system. The all-flash era is here, and Huawei OceanStor Dorado 5000 V3 is a new benchmark for any mission-critical workload.